Yay, what's up, everybody? Today, I'm showing you what I do with my Shopify development, like what is a Shopify developer and the kind of jobs that we do. Today, I'm working on a pretty big store. It's Biba LA, cosmetics, or I guess not cosmetics, skincare store based out of Los Angeles. And if you look at the images that they have there on their homepage, they provide skincare to very famous people. Like, if you go to their Instagram or something, I'm sure they have like a lot of followers. Yeah, well, my Instagram is in Japanese, but if you can read this, that means 50,000 followers because we are going to do a more advanced, I guess well, we're going to be doing coding. We're going to be changing the code and the theme files of the store. So because of that, we're going to go in here and duplicate the current theme because we don't want to make any changes on the live theme. So just let that go and I'll show you actually what we want to do. So let's go to their website. The issue they are having with their store is with their search function here. So search their store for the products, browse categories. It looks like they have, if I put up here, yeah, you can see the URL down at the bottom. It's going to bebalosangeles.com/collections/aging fine lines. So these are all of the collections. And that wouldn't be a problem, but it's all the collections, including ones that they don't want to be visible. So aging fine lines. How about this? Biba's holiday? It's probably going to be broken. Yeah, this is broken. So we don't want all of those. Either we just want some of them or we just want to remove this whole thing. I'm going to start by removing the whole thing. Okay, we've got our copy of our theme, so we can go in here and start editing the code. It will open up the in-browser coding environment that Shopify has, and we can get right into the theme files and start working on the code here. But first, we have to figure out where is this thing. I guess one thing to mention is that we could go in here and customize and click up here. I've already done this, so I know that this isn't the solution, but you would go to the search page here and see that that is not here. So that means this list of categories here was made in the theme files, not just in this drag and drop editor. So this is a more complex problem. It's not just a simple fix. So that's how I know we do have to actually go into the code and start doing things. So go into this copy here, edit code. Now we're in the theme files. And yeah, so we want to figure out where is this thing. So we're going to open up the dev tools, inspect, and try to figure out where this thing is. First, I just want to get rid of this thing. I just want to remove it, and then I'll figure out a different way to add content to this page so it's not just like an empty blank page with a search bar up at the top. So just take it step by step. First thing is we gotta get rid of this. So we have to figure out what is it called? What is it wrapped in? What's the container? Uh, results popular. Let's see here. All right, we're looking at it. Well, it's an unordered list. The class name is results popular links. Now, the problem with the search here I don't know if there's a better way to search, but you're filtering the files. So what was that thing called? Results slash popular and then links. It's not gonna search results item liquid. I mean, this is a file name. It's not going to give us the actual elements when we search. We're just filtering for file names here. So that's the limitation of using this in browser environment that Shopify has for us. I mean, it's good. It's nice and convenient for some things, but in this case, it's not going to be too helpful. Results. Let's just see if that's in this file. Okay. Search results item. Uh, no, not just results dash popular. Let's just check, see if it's in here. No, that is not in here. So this is not the file that we want to be messing with. So the next step, I've already done this, but we want to open this up in VS Code. So what I'm going to do is click on these three dots here and download theme file. And then I'm going to open that up in VS Code, which I've already done here. So we want to do that. Yeah, it's late. It's already past my bedtime, so I'm like not. Maybe these links. This is what we want. Results dash popular links. So we're gonna search for that in VS Code. Results popular double underscore links. And now we're getting somewhere. We, we can see it's in the theme.css file, theme.dev.css, and header.liquid. I'm guessing it's going to be in header.liquid. Yeah, this looks like it. So if you have the workflow set up, you could just be editing the code here in VS Code and then pushing your changes to the store. But I I did have all that set up, but then I removed it. It's a long story, but basically I'm not doing that right now. So, and yes, I have ChatGPT open because I was asking it some questions about this earlier. You gotta use ChatGPT every day. Don't use it as a crutch, but use it as a tool. You've probably heard that a lot. Let's go back into the code there and search for header.liquid. That's the file we want. And then, what was the thing? Results, popular links, results, popular, double underscore links. Please be here. Yes, it is. And how many times did it show up? One, two. Okay, so this is probably it. And okay, so I did pause and ask ChatGPT. I copied this and asked what I should do with it to make it stop having this section here. I want to get rid of it. So just for now, because we do want to save the code, because I might try to later when I have more time, I might try to change this so it only shows the collections that I want it to show, but I don't have the time to do that right now. I'm just looking for a quick fix just to make sure as quickly as possible that people aren't going to be clicking on broken links. So ChatGPT has told me to comment out this block of code, and that's what we're going to do. We will put our faith in ChatGPT. We're going to comment. Let me just cut that and put it here. Okay, so we just commented out this, save it, and then we're going to do a preview of the store to see if our changes did something. You can see we are previewing the copy that we just made, and the moment of truth, if ChatGPT actually knows what he's talking about or not. Hmm. Now hold on a second, because you know what? I messed up. That was not ChatGPT's fault. I think he told me to actually do this, comment out this part. Yeah, looking at it, if search links, um, what's it? Popular links for collection in collections, collection, collection title. Yeah, I think this is the part actually that ChatGPT told me to comment out. So let's try that again. Let's just refresh real quick. Go to search. There we go. Thank you, ChatGPT. You saved the day. So yeah, that is our initial fix. What's a product? Plant. I wonder if I can just, oops. Oh, that's interesting. What did that do? Why did that take us? What page is this? So this is, I don't know why it's taking us to a different search page, but this is this is like what I want it to look like. When someone clicks on search here, I don't even want this to come up like this. So that will be the next step. I want it to look like this, but then maybe have a list of collections with just like a few collections and have pictures of the collections, not just a little list like what it had before. But yeah, so this is good for now. Let me just make sure it works. Plant, plant, stem, cell, serum. Okay, cool. Let me just do plant, press enter. Okay, so it's working. All right. So it's fixed for now. We did the quick fix. It's good. So rename this as the search fix. And then just because I know we have multiple people working on this store doing a bunch of different things, I'm going to go ahead and publish this fix the way it is. And then when I go to make out the rest of the page, then I'll just repeat this whole process of making a copy and then publishing the next work that I did. If I was working on this by myself, I would probably just hold this here and make all the changes until the search page is perfect. But yeah, this is a big store and multiple people working on it, so we're just going to go ahead and publish this search fix for now, just so at least people are not getting broken links. Publish that. Search fix. View the store. Just do another double check to make sure I didn't destroy everything. All right. It's all looking good. Double check the search. Okay. Uh, we probably should have checked it on mobile. to make sure nothing weird's happening. Okay. Yeah, looks good. So that's it. That's an example of what I get paid to do as a Shopify developer, and it's fun. I enjoy it. I like helping people with their e-commerce business. This is an actual coding task. I do a lot of stuff that is not coding, and it's fun, especially when it's like building a new store and helping people launch their e-commerce business. It's fun and exciting, and every day working with a different store, a different person, a different task. And overall, I'm enjoying it. If you have any questions about getting into Shopify development and becoming a freelancer on Upwork, just let me know. You can schedule a meeting with me down there. Click on my Calendly link and we can talk about it. And I have a program where I actually help you launch your career as a freelancer if you're interested in that too. So I'll be waiting to hear from you. All right. See you.